Getting a coronavirus test can be such a hassle. What we need is a fast, safe, convenient way to test ourselves. That's why we developed Dexterity COVID-19 from home screening, the quick, convenient test that delivers a fast, confidential result. It's as simple as collecting a saliva sample. Once you purchase your kit, you decide when and where to get tested. After placing your order, create an account online. Then register the kit. Do the self-test. Return it using our packaging and pre-printed shipping label. Then, just 48 hours later, check the result confidentially online. All you need is a cell phone or a computer with a current web browser. That's all there is to it. Dexterity COVID-19 from home screening is the safe, convenient test that offers a fast, confidential result.